I've got the latest Trendmood box. So if you want to see what's in here, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Trendmood puts together boxes and then they say, here's what's going to be in this box. You want to buy it? Come buy it. Last time around, their box sold out within minutes and I got early access. And so for the last volume, I got early access at noon Eastern Standard Time. And by the time I hit the link, got to the site, it was sold out. So that was within seconds, really. So then I tried again at 1 o'clock when they re-released it, but I was busy. So it was like 1:05 when I got on there. It was sold out again. Like it was done. And they were like, oh, well, we sent a link. Yeah, I know. But all the comments here say, like, I got the early link and while it was in my cart, it expired. Like while I was trying to pay, it expired. So I was a little hesitant about this one. Like I don't want to get my hopes up, but I actually went on, was it with early access? I don't even think it was early access. I think I went in after work and I was like, oh, they still have some left. All right, I'll grab one. So that's my Trendmood story. So this is not the one that sold out. This is, well, it's probably sold out now, but this is not the one that sold out within seconds. And that one, it was nice, but I think it sold out because it had a Charlotte Tilbury cream in there. And I think people went crazy for that. And I like Charlotte Tilbury cream, but I mean, you know, I got a lot of creams. There is your sneak peek. So what is in this one? What drew me to this box the most was this Bondi Boost Heat Protected Spray product. So you're going to spray your hair. You're going to want to make sure, like, don't just spray it, but really kind of move it around and get like in all the areas as to use this before you either blow dry your hair or use a curling iron, straight iron, whatever it is. And I've tried this brand before and really liked it. So I was excited to see this in the box. Next by Pacifica is the Future Youth Gravity Rebound Serum Flora plus Peptide 11. It has peptides, strawberry oil, and flowers. And I believe every brand in here is cruelty-free. At least that has been my experience so far. All right, there it is. And we do like Pacifica products. I'm not ready to open this, but I am excited to try it. Next by EM Cosmetics is the Divine Skies Eyeshadow Palette. This I don't think I was all that excited about, other than the fact that I don't know if I have anything from this brand. There is how it looks. And there it is. It's actually prettier than I thought, or prettier than I saw in the picture. So let's get a little swatch in for this. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to go around. All right, that is some great color. I mean, that is, all right, I'm excited now. Now next by Winky Lux. This is their Cheeky Rose. And there were a variety of colors you could have gotten. So you could have gotten Lovely, Queen, Darling, or Noble. So there they are. And I received Darling, and I think that's a good color. It's described as a deep coral. All right, so it has like this little sponge. So it comes out onto the sponge. Oh, it's wet. It's a wetter formula. I thought it would be more dry for some reason, but I do like that. All right, rubbing it in, you can see the flush of it. And Winky Lux is a brand that you can find at Target, so it's not tremendously expensive. I mean, it's not like $2 or anything, but it's a nice price for a nice product. I've always been happy with my Winky Lux products. Next, by e.l.f. is their Glossy Lip Stain in Spicy Sienna. All right, there is the product. We've got a little okay, I think I could use that. I think it goes nicely with the palette and the blush too. And then our last three products are all ABH products. So I was also pretty excited about that. So in here we have their Brow Freeze Gel. This is a clear. All right, so there it is. And I'm not going to open it up because I'm not ready to use it, but I have used this before and love it. And then we have two lip velvets in the shades Peachy Nude and Parchment. So there is that packaging. How lovely is that? And then the doe foot applicator, look how it's like bent in a little bit to really get the curve of your lips. So that is the Peach Nude, and it kind of looks more like a dusty rose to me. And I think that with a gloss over it, I could definitely do. Now the Parchment does look like it's a bit darker, but it looks like it'll go nicely with that lip stain from e.l.f. And it's just a little bit darker than the first one. So here's the first one, here's this one, but it almost looks like the same family. But I like how it kind of coordinates with that lip stain. I'm going to put a little bit over that. All right, so there it is with the lip stain over it. And that is a kind of a bold color. It's not something I would wear to work for certain. And it's more like a night out on the town for me, or makeup look. I could definitely use it in a makeup look. All right, that is my Trend Mood box. So let me know your thoughts. I think this was pretty good. I think it was $42 is what I have a 10% off code that they send, because once you buy one, they send you the 10% code. Or even if you sign up for their emails, they'll send you a 10% code and early access. So that got me 10% off, which I think ended up being $42. Could be wrong, but it was in that range, because they're always around in the $40 range, and then you're taking the $10 off. I mean, the 10% off. So yeah, I don't know, somewhere around there. All right, but I think it's good. I think they put together a nice box. I do enjoy the things that they put in there. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.